TikTok is now available as an application for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now you can watch your favorite TikToks on your PC in addition to your smartphone. And downloading the TikTok app for Windows is straightforward and simple, and this video will guide you in downloading TikTok on your Windows PC. Now first up, open the Microsoft Store. Use the search field on top of your screen, or you can also find the application listed on the Microsoft Store homepage. Now once you press enter, click install at the top right corner, and the application installs rather quickly and will boot up automatically after installation. But if that did not work, you can open your browser, search for TikTok, and you can download it from the website. So that's how easy and quickly you can download TikTok on a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.